How to fix sound coming from only one side of speaker or headset on Windows 11. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can fix if you have an issue regarding the audio when you're only able to hear the sound from one side while playing on speaker or on headset. So without further delay, let's get started. So for that, what you have to do is click on your start menu or start icon in your Windows 11, and here in the search bar type in imbalance.cpl. Press enter in your keyboard. That's gonna open up your sound property in your Windows 11. So from here you have to choose your speaker or headset, then double click on it. Then you will have the speaker properties. Here click on labels, and once you're under labels, now again click on balance button. And here make sure you have slide this all the way to 100 on both the left and right, and then click on OK. Then click on apply. Click on OK and then click on apply. Once you're done, you can again click on OK and click on apply, and then now check if your issue is solved or not. If still not, now open up settings in your device. Then click on system on your left hand side, and now here on the system scroll down a bit and then go to troubleshoot. Here again click on other troubleshooter, and then now you have to run the troubleshooter for audio in your device. So click on run. After that, your device will detect any problem and will solve it automatically after you run the troubleshooter, and your problem might get solved. So that's how you can fix your problem. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.